Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School Isapur online classes. This is your English class, and today we are going to study poem Vocation. So, let's begin. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. So, gong means, here are the word meanings for you. Gong means an object made of metal which gives sound when struck. So, this is an object and it gives sound when it is struck. So, whenever at 10 o'clock in the morning the child used to walk to school in their street, he used to hear a sound of a gong. Who was making this? Let's see. Every day I meet the hawker crying, bangles, crystal bangles. So, what is a hawker? A hawker is person who sells goods traveling and shouting to sell. So you must have seen some sellers who come into our streets shouting what product are they selling about that, and then hearing their sound people come to buy it. So like that only this hawker was selling crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. So the child is wondering that this particular hawker is having no hurry. He doesn't have to reach anywhere on time, and he doesn't have to be constrained by any time. So this hawker in the eyes of the child is free to move and go anywhere he likes. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road, crying, bangles, crystal bangles. So the child is now wishing he was a hawker. He wants to be a hawker so that he can move freely from one place to another, and he doesn't have to go anywhere on time. Like now he has to reach his school on time, then he has to come back home on time. So the child is not liking that, and he is thinking, what if I was a hawker and I was also able to walk freely in this road? When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. So now, when he is back from school at 4 in the afternoon, then what does he see? He is seeing a gardener digging the ground in a garden. He does what he likes with his spade. What is spade? Spade is a sharp-edged tool used for digging and cutting. So, with the tool, the child is thinking now, he does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to a task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. So, the child is thinking, this person, the gardener, is also digging the soil and he gets his clothes dirty in the soil, but nobody punishes him for these things. Like if children dirty their clothes, then sometimes they get scoldings, right? So the child is thinking that this particular person, the gardener, doesn't get scoldings for getting dirty, and he is getting to use a spade, and he is getting to be in the sun, and he gets wet in the sweat. So no one is taking him into task, means no one is punishing him. Baked in the sun means heated in the hot sun. So when we play in the sun for too long, we get baked, right? We feel like our skin is burning. So that sensation is talked about. So now the child wants to be the gardener. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. So if he was a gardener, he would have to dig the soil to plant the plants, right? So now he is wishing that he should have been a gardener so that he got to dig the soil. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. Walking up and down means to move back and forth. So there he could see a watchman from his open window. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. So now the child is seeing the scene. It is dark and lonely outside. The street lamp looks like as if it is very big, very big in size, with one red eye in its head, and it has a red color light which looks like a red eye in its head. So giant means of a great size. Now the watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. So now the child is thinking the watchman is swinging his lantern and walking in the, and because of the light his shadow is forming, and nobody is there with him, only his shadow is there by his side, and never once goes to bed in his life, and the child has never seen him going to bed. So he is thinking that he doesn't sleep at night, and he has not slept in night, gone to bed in his whole life. So swings means moving back and forth. So the watchman is moving his lantern back and forth and walking in the dark. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. So now the child is wishing to be a watchman so that he got to move out in the night, and he walked out in the night chasing the shadows with his lantern. So the poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Children, read the poem once again and write these word meanings in your notebook. We will meet again in the next class.